Elsa, reliable portable machine tools, simple and resistant. For more than 25 years, Elsa designs and builds portable boring machines, offering the most advanced solutions at technological level, ensuring quality, reliability and experience. Elsa's equipments are realized with the best materials in its factory in South Italy, a building of approximately 2,000 square meters that is provided with the most advanced technologies. Elsa is leader in designing the Supercombinata series, portable machines for inline boring and internal and external overlay welding, facing of orthogonal planes, creation of seats for seeger rings, threading, tapping and drilling. Thanks to its small size and its extreme versatility and precision, it can carry out on-site machining, thus reducing traditional repair time and costs. These machine tools are reliable, powerful and easy to use. The Supercombinata series consists of 7 different models: Basic, Easy, Easy Compact, SC1, SC2, SC2 Compact, SC3. The machine tools of the Supercombinata series, with its standard equipment, are able to perform internal boring and internal overlay welding. Moreover, these tools are also designed to perform drilling and tapping. Thanks to its extra kits, such as the boring reduction and the big diameter kits, it is possible to extend its working range. Through a large range of optional accessories, it is possible to provide solutions to meet different requirements in the repair sector. In Elsa, we improve constantly our products and manufacturing processes in order to allow our customers to keep always a step ahead. The portable line boring machine Supercombinata Elsa can carry out on-site machining, thus reducing downtime and freight costs. For years, these machines have been successfully used in several industrial fields. The company's constant attention to quality standards is demonstrated by a wide range of certifications. Elsa, from Italy to the world, quality, reliability and experience.